What if I told you that some of your ordinary houseplants could reveal a rare and stunning secret? Hidden beneath their lush everyday leaves are flowers so unexpected you'd think they were plucked from a dream. But these blooms are real and rare. First on our list is the jade plant, a low-maintenance succulent with wisdom beyond its years. These clusters of star-shaped flowers don't just appear on any day. With the right care, patience, and a bit of coaxing, the jade plant rewards you with a rare, magical sight. Want to force it to bloom? Next is snake plant, a silent guardian in your home that requires almost no care. But what you didn't know is that it hides an ever rarer treasure, long-lasting fragrant flowers that give off a spicy vanilla-like scent. They're elusive, but when they do bloom, it's like catching a glimpse of the plant world's hidden jewel. Now, brace yourself for a real showstopper, the bird of paradise. With its glossy banana-like leaves, it already feels like you're tending a tropical paradise in your home. But when its rare flowers bloom, you'll be transported straight to the tropics. With a little extra love and light, this plant could turn your living room into an island getaway. Don't be fooled by its name. The fishbone cactus isn't your typical prickly customer. It's unique, quirky, and a master of surprise. Its rare, fleeting white blooms last only a day or two. Blink and you'll miss it. But if you're lucky enough to catch them, they'll leave behind a scent you won't forget. The oxalis is not just known for its beautiful purple butterfly-like leaves. This plant also hides a floral treasure. At night, both the leaves and flowers fold down as if they're hiding their beauty, only to unfold and surprise you again the next day. An enigmatic delight. Stripes and flowers? You bet! The zebra plant not only boasts bold, striking leaves, but also rare, bright yellow or orange blooms. These flowers are a visual feast, and if you're lucky, they might even attract a zebra longwing butterfly, making your plant's rare bloom even more special. You might know the calathea for its dramatic leaves, but did you know that certain varieties grow beautiful flowers too? With the right conditions, you'll be surprised at how stunning their blooms can be. Explore the flowering varieties and add even more beauty to your indoor garden. The haworthia may look humble, but it hides an elegant surprise. These resilient succulents can sprout long, slender stems adorned with delicate white or pale pink flowers. What's more, these flowers are a sign that new haworthia pups are on their way, making this a plant that gives back in more ways than one. Aloe vera is widely known for its healing powers, but it has another gift to offer: taller, tubular blooms that rise from its center in shades of yellow and orange. These rare blooms not only brighten your space, but are also packed with bioactive compounds that can benefit your health. Beauty and healing all in one. Last but not least, the spider plant isn't just known for its arching green leaves and spiderettes. It can also surprise you with delicate white blossoms. These rare flowers signal the start of a new generation of baby plants, making them both beautiful and important for the next spider plant family. These houseplants don't just offer stunning foliage. They also hide rare, beautiful blooms that make them even more special. With the right care and a bit of patience, your home could be the stage for nature's rarest performances. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which plant you're most excited to see bloom. Until next time, happy gardening!